gardens. Not Grey Gardens.
Oh, I see
Does this sit on the right? Yeah.
Grey Gardens.
Grey Gardens. Jerry. Or it says Jetty. You can get a boat, board shorts, and a garden.
It says do not enter. Maybe we enter.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, here. This is it. This must be the place. Is that part of this too? Wow. That's pretty. I don't know if they're gonna have any wishing wells, but
Wow.
he's flying. He's about to fly away. He's like $500. That's too much.
$500, I'd have to put that in the oil.
I'm gonna fly away before somebody buys me. Yeah, this is our shopping haul from Reynolds. We found it by accident because the other place we were going to go to is by appointment only, and I got kale and some other greens in here. It was appointment only, and I'm like, we didn't have an appointment.
I like
So,
these.
thank you. That's for my salad. My
Dude,
other
it's
salad.
just one of our ugly red things. We got to figure out what they used. To put this
Yeah, some kind of peanut butter
I
stuff.
bet they got to cook it in the oven.
I don't know about that, maybe. And we got this Hebrew thing, I forget what it's called. Hanging plant. And this pelican wind chime. And something else for the bed, my bed, to put my little tchotchkes on.
Should buy that right now. I guess I'll make it.
That's so cool.
Yeah.